DIY recycled crafts turn trash into treasure. 7-minute YouTube script. Intro hook. Have you ever looked at a pile of plastic bottle caps, old spoons, cardboard boxes, or empty containers and thought, what am I supposed to do with all this junk? Most of us throw these things away without a second thought. But here's the problem. Every year, millions of tons of household waste end up in landfills, while at the same time, people spend hundreds of dollars on home decor, organizers, and decorative items that could easily be made at home. What if I told you that some of the most beautiful, creative, and trendy DIY projects are being made from things people usually throw away? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY recycled crafts, where ordinary household waste transforms into stunning home decor, practical organizers, and unique handmade creations. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a plastic bottle cap or disposable spoon the same way again. Let's get started. What are DIY recycled crafts? Before we jump into the ideas, let's quickly understand what recycled crafts actually are. DIY recycled crafts are creative projects made from used or discarded household items. Instead of throwing something away, you give it a second life. Items like plastic bottle caps, plastic spoons, cardboard boxes, glass jars, tin cans, old newspapers, toilet paper rolls, egg cartons can all be transformed into something beautiful and useful. And that's exactly why recycled crafting has become one of the fastest growing DIY trends online. People love it because it's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, creative, family-friendly, perfect for home decoration. Why is this trend so popular right now? Let's be honest, life is getting more expensive. Home decor prices keep rising. Storage solutions cost more than ever. And many people want their homes to feel unique instead of looking exactly like everyone else's. That's where DIY recycled crafts come in. Instead of buying expensive decorative pieces, people are creating personalized items that cost almost nothing. Social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube are packed with viral recycled craft projects because people love seeing ordinary trash transformed into something extraordinary. There's something incredibly satisfying about turning waste into something valuable. DIY idea number 1, bottle cap wall art. Let's start with one of the easiest and most eye-catching projects. Plastic bottle caps are usually thrown away immediately, but creative DIY enthusiasts are turning them into colorful wall art. Imagine arranging different colored bottle caps into flowers, butterflies, geometric patterns, mandala designs, inspirational words. The result? A unique piece of artwork that costs almost nothing but looks completely custom-made. This project is especially great for kids because it encourages creativity while teaching the importance of recycling. DIY idea number 2, plastic spoon flowers. Now here's a project that surprises almost everyone. Disposable plastic spoons. Most people use them once and throw them away, but with a little creativity, they can become elegant decorative flowers. By cutting and arranging spoon heads into flower shapes and adding a touch of paint, you can create wall decorations, flower bouquets, table centerpieces, decorative frames. The final result looks far more expensive than the materials used to make it. And that's the magic of DIY crafting. DIY idea number 3, glass jar makeovers. Have empty pasta sauce jars or pickle jars sitting around? Don't throw them away. Glass jars are one of the most versatile crafting materials you can find. With a little paint, twine, ribbon, or decorative paper, they can become candle holders, makeup organizers, flower vases, desk storage containers, fairy light lanterns. These projects are especially popular because they combine beauty with practicality. You're not just creating decoration, you're creating something useful. DIY idea number 5, toilet paper roll crafts. This might be the most underestimated crafting material ever. Toilet paper rolls usually go straight into the trash, but creative crafters see endless possibilities. They can become wall art, decorative flowers, pencil holders, seed starters for gardening, gift boxes, children's toys. It's amazing how something so simple can become something so beautiful. Benefits of DIY recycled crafts. Now let's talk about why so many people are becoming obsessed with recycled crafting. 1. Saves money. Instead of buying expensive decorations, you're using materials you already have. Many projects cost little to nothing. 2. Helps the environment. Every item you recycle is one less item heading to a landfill. Small actions can make a big difference over time. 3. Encourages creativity. DIY crafting pushes you to see possibilities where others see waste. You start looking at everyday objects differently. Reduces household clutter. Instead of letting unused items pile up, you're finding creative ways to repurpose them. 5. Creates unique home decor. Store-bought decorations are everywhere. Handmade recycled crafts are personal, one-of-a-kind, and full of character. How to make recycled crafts look modern and stylish. Here's a mistake many beginners make. They focus only on recycling and forget about design. Modern DIY creators follow a few simple rules. Keep colors consistent. Choose a color palette. Neutrals, pastels, earthy tones, or modern monochrome designs all work beautifully. Add texture. Use rope, fabric, wood accents, and natural materials to elevate your projects. Focus on functionality. The best DIY crafts are both beautiful and useful. Think storage, organization, and decoration combined. Follow current trends. Popular trends right now include cottagecore decor, boho styling, minimalist designs, nature-inspired crafts, sustainable home decor. Combining recycled materials with modern trends creates amazing results. Final thoughts. The next time you're about to throw away a bottle cap, plastic spoon, cardboard box, or glass jar, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, could this become something useful? Because creativity isn't about having expensive materials. It's about seeing possibilities where others see waste. DIY recycled crafts prove that beautiful home decor doesn't have to cost a fortune. Sometimes, the most impressive creations begin with the simplest things. And who knows? The next piece of trash you save today might become your favorite project tomorrow. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves crafting and creative home decor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY inspiration video.